So what we're going to be doing here is we will learning about more than one ways of declaring an array in JavaScript. Just like other things in JavaScript, there are multiple ways of declaring an array, unlike other programs, an array. So here we're going to learn one way at a time. So for that, what we're going to do first of all is set up this basic page template, and then we will going to start adding the script portion to it. So we're going to call this one So this gives me a basic template of JavaScript. Once I built on the basic template in JavaScript, now I can pretty much go about declaring my array. In order for me to declare an array, as I've told you last time, the JavaScript does not declare entities with data types. Rather, as they will receive the value, they figure out whatever is their data type. So if I declare an array called names, right now, this array of size 5 does not really know its data type. It's just called names because this is what I'm planning on using it as. So I'm going to be using it as a string, but it can certainly be used as something else. So I'm going to be storing how many names here? When I say 5, total of 5 names, where their index numbers will be 0 through 4. So therefore, after I declare this, let me write in the comments here. So this creates an array of size 5, which means index numbers 0 through 4. So if I now would like to store my first name, I'll say name 0 equals to Amy. Names 1 equals to Once I declare an array and I place values in each one of the elements of an array, I can then loop through this array just like you've learned in any other programming language how you can loop through an array. So you simply write a for loop or a while loop or a do while loop, whichever of the loop of choice you like, you can simply traverse through it. Oops. So now that I run it in a web browser, I can literally see that the name is followed by the name of the person. I can make my output look a little bit more fancier than what it is right now. So if you notice what I've done inside my for loop, I've used names.length. So what names.length will do, it will return a value which is how many number of elements are there in this array. So there are a total of 5 elements in this array. But since I've used less than length, so I'm going to go from 0 through 4, which basically covers the entire array. So now you can see the output where each name has a number followed by colon followed by the actual value.